Everybody, man, it's your boy West739, CaliRadioShow.com in the building. We got the young boss, you know what I'm saying? We doing it big. He gonna be up here in a minute. But right now, we gonna let my nigga Cali Slam then popped up.
Man,
he right here,
know,
you see him?
The man right here, this my boy right here, babe.
He Twitter famous.
Freeway doing it real big, man.
You know
He doing it real big, man.
Get your shots out, my nigga. Take it over.
He said Twitter famous, but I'm taking over Twitter. I'm hood famous, you know what I'm saying? Thank you, Dad. Freeway Rick, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to him. You know what I'm saying? No shout outs to the fakes, you know what I'm saying?
No, we don't do that.
Cali Radio, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to Cali, you know what I'm saying? Get it in all day, all night, smoke kush, every day. Yay.
Hey, my nigga, so what's going on up here right now? Where we at right now? Talk to me.
We in the studio, Inglewood, you know what I'm saying? Cali still, you know what I'm saying?
Where you at, Slim?
A few people out here with us, you know, and
look at this man. Look at this right here.
You know, trying to get it together. You already know how we do it live in the studio.
What's that medical?
Oh,
that's that shit I be talking about.
Yeah, man. See, y'all Twitter motherfuckers don't think this shit is real, nigga. It's all right here. We looking right at you, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? This is gonna be up on YouTube in a minute. You can give me your Twitter account.
I am J Ross. You know what it is. FreewayEnterprise.com. Freeway Enterprise all day. Freeway Rick. You know what I'm saying?
And if you ain't already went and signed up for the social networking site that's officially running it for Cali Radio, you need to get your ass over there and sign up.
FreewayEnterprise.com. FreewayEnterprise.com. Make sure y'all hit that up for real, man.
Take us home, my nigga.
CaliRadio.com. J Ross signing out. FreewayEnterprise.com. Check it out. The Real Rick Ross. We in here. Cali Radio. Yeah.